Ever wondered how gamers build a beast PC without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the magic of budget builds with an RTX 3070. First up, the star of our show, a second-hand RTX 3070. They're gems if you know where to look. Think eBay or local tech forums. Next, snag a reliable CPU, something like a used Ryzen 5. Pair it with a solid motherboard and you're halfway there. Don't forget 16 GB of RAM, sweet spot for gaming. For storage, an SSD is a must for lightning-fast load time. Now power it all up with a trusty 650W power supply. And finally, pop everything into a budget-friendly case. Voila, you've got yourself a budget gaming rig with an RTX 3070 that won't empty your wallet. Game on! With a little patience and savvy shopping, you can build a killer setup without spending a fortune. Happy building!